UBA dollar prepaid card withdrawal or any prepaid card withdrawal from Nigeria or from any other country is solved in this video. I've gotten several comments from people regarding a particular issue from UBA Bank. So I decided to attend to this because I have been getting so many comments, but I'll have to show you guys just like 2 or 3 of a screenshot I made. Let's go down to my system. Let me show you guys. Screenshot, okay, UBA. Yes. Now, look, let me zoom this in. This is a screenshot I made from my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. In the comment here, cash out from PayPal. I made this video, and the video explained how you can withdraw money from your UBA prepaid dollar card that was working. Now, I got this message from John Esho. He was like, "Big man, I was in the bank this morning. UBA has stopped the process of withdrawing money from prepaid card." Wow. I replied him, but I got another message that was like 6 hours ago. That is why I decided to attend to this. This particular message is why I'm making this video. I've been getting so many, like 2, 3 other messages on this particular issue. And this guy said, it is the same UBA prepaid dollar card you are using in this video. The problem is that UBA has blocked us from withdrawing our funds from this card. I didn't know about this until I went to the bank to withdraw, and I was told money received from PayPal is no longer available for withdrawals according to the new CBN policy. I still have these funds in my card right now. I don't know what to do with it. Wow. Wow. Solution is here. That is why you guys have me. That is why I always say, when you have issues in any of my videos, feel free to drop your comments. Join my Telegram channel by clicking the link below this video or scanning the barcode. Communicate to me from any source. Drop your comment. That is why I always like telling you guys. Ask questions. I am going to solve this in this video. I'm going to solve this for you. Look, but I mean, this is your card, your dollar card you got from bank, and they're telling you that you cannot. Wow, CBN policy. This is not favorable, man. It's not favorable. Everything is completely restricted. So many things are just, they are not just allowing us to breathe in this country, but as they sweet us, you go dey pen them. As they sweet us, you go dey pen them. I'm going to solve this for you in this video. Just calm down, pay attention, and follow this video to the end. I'm going to rectify this. I have watched so many videos on YouTube on this particular thing, and the solution they are bringing to you guys is just some people will tell you, go to Instagram, contact this vendor, they are legit, blah, blah, blah. Some people will tell you, do this, do that, do this different thing, write this email. See, I'm going to give you a solution to this on how you can do it yourself. Since UBA does not want to allow you to collect the funds inside the prepaid card, the dollar prepaid card that they gave to you. They gave you the card, and they are now saying that you cannot withdraw the money inside the card. No wahala. Let's get down to the main game. Let me show you guys how you can bypass UBA and get your cash out in dollars or however in naira. Let me give you a summary of what we are going to do in this video. 1, open Skrill. Number 2, verify your Skrill account. Number 3, add your UBA prepaid card or any prepaid card or any ATM card, whether dollar or naira, any card at all, whether you're living in Nigeria or whether you're living anywhere in the world. Add your prepaid card or your ATM or your dollar card or your naira card to Skrill. Withdraw your money from your UBA card or your prepaid card or your ATM card into Skrill. From Skrill, transfer to any bank account you want. If your country does not support transferring money from Skrill account directly into your local bank account, use the money and buy USDT, Bitcoin, any type of cryptocurrency to Binance, sell the cryptocurrency, and have your money directly into your bank account. So let's jump right into my system and start from creating a Skrill account. After creating the Skrill account, I'm going to use my UBA Prepaid card and add money into that Skrill account. So all the process, don't miss anything unless you don't want to withdraw money from your prepaid card. Now come to a new browser and open a new tab. Type www.skrill.com and click enter. Go straight to sign up, register. Now here you have to put your first name, last name, country has already been selected, Nigeria, currency, NGN. You can still change your currency. You can decide to put it on USD. Then put your email and password. So I'm going to fill out this information now and click on register. Okay guys, I've put all the information needed for me to register on Skrill. But bear in mind that once you're signing up on Skrill or Neteller, any of these two accounts, make sure your first name is the same name on any of your government approved ID and your surname is the same name. Don't make any mistake in any alphabet because it might affect you later. So click on register. You can save, you can decide not to save. Chimney, can refresh, crosswalk, verify. Okay, here is our Skrill account. We've signed up on Skrill. And in this Skrill, why I like this Skrill is you can use it for your online payments. You can use it to buy and sell crypto. You can use it to send money to anyone abroad or anywhere at all. So if you go to buy crypto, get started, it's going to tell you to put your information, address, city, let me say Lagos. Please, while you're putting your address, also make sure you put an address that has a utility bill. The same way the address is on your utility bill, that is the same way you're going to put it here. Even if your house address is wrong on the utility bill, make sure you put the same number on your utility bill. If the number on your utility bill is number 5 and your real house address is number 7, put number 5, the one on your utility bill, so that if you want to confirm this account, in case if you want to transfer bigger money or some other thing, if you put any utility bill that does not rhyme with the same thing you filled while signing up on this account, it will be rejected. So put the address on your utility bill. Even if the address is wrong, put it like that. So once you're done, click on next. And a text message will be sent to the number that you filled while opening this account. So open your phone and check for the text message, 43, and click on verify. Verification complete. To keep your account secure, create 6-digit PIN. You may be asked to put your PIN upon login or when you send or withdraw money. So you have to put a 6-digit PIN. So once you're done putting your 6-digit PIN, click on save. But make sure all the information you're using to sign up on this platform, you're saving everything, both the number, both the PIN, both the email, everything. Make sure it's saved in a secure location, maybe your draft in your email. Now click on save. Now it's saying you have to deposit money. Fee is 2.5%. So save your card to easily add money to your Skrill wallet. All major cards accepted. So at this point, since UBA Prepaid card of recent is not allowing people to withdraw money across the counter, you can't get money out from your UBA Prepaid card. And there's no way you can withdraw money that is inside your UBA Prepaid card. I will advise you to add your UBA Prepaid card in Skrill so that You can use the money in your UBA prepared card to buy cryptocurrency to fund this wallet. And from this wallet, you can deposit money directly in your local bank account here in Nigeria. So with UBA prepared card, you can be able to buy crypto. Once you buy crypto, you can convert your crypto anytime through Binance to money. So I will advise anybody that is signing up on this account, if you have your UBA prepared card, make sure you add your UBA prepared card so that if you get any funds in your UBA prepared card and if you want to withdraw those funds, since it's now very difficult to withdraw funds from a UBA prepared card, since you can't withdraw money across the counter in UBA here in Nigeria, or I don't know about some other African countries. So add your UBA prepared card on this Skrill, okay? Just click on deposit. It will ask you for card number, expiring date, every other thing, and you click on save. Once you're done putting all the information, click on save card details, click on add card and continue. Now at this point, enter amount. If you're using a Naira card, you can select maybe 5,000 Naira, but I'm using a dollar card, so I'm going to select dollar USD. Then I'm going to put 10. Saying minimum is 109 USD. Limit is USD 163.08. At this point, please bear in mind that why your limit, which is your maximum limit, minimum is $1.09. Maximum, which is your limit, is $163.08. And why it's like that is because I have not yet verified this account. This account is not fully verified. This particular account that I'm using, I have another Skrill account, but I'm using this for an example, and is not yet verified. But if you verify your account, it increases your transfer limit and your withdrawal limit. So make sure your account is fully verified before you transfer money or before you deposit money in Skrill, so that you will have the full Skrill features. You can be able to withdraw any amount, you can be able to transfer any amount in Skrill once your account is fully verified. So please, if you're opening a Skrill account, bear this in mind. Make sure you verify your Skrill account before you add money, before you deposit money into the account. You can add your card, but once you add your card, don't put money until you verify the account. Why I am just adding money into this account without verifying it is because I have all the necessary documents that is needed for me to verify this account. And I have opened this account multiple times, both Skrill and Neteller. I'll make a video about Neteller later. So I know what this account, this Skrill is needed. So, but since it's your first time, put your utility bill, put your national ID, any government approved means of identification. Now, your utility bill must be there. But please, if you're opening a Skrill account, bring out your ID. Bring out your ID, your government approved ID, bring it out and fill the same information inside that ID. If there was a mistake in your name in that ID, put the same information in that ID that you're going to use to verify it. If there's a mistake in your house address, put the same house address, the one that has a mistake that is inside your utility bill that you're going to use to verify it. So all the information has to tally. If your house is number 7 in real life, is number 7. If you take Okada or cab to your house, is going and tell them number 7, going to bring them to your house. And if the address in your utility bill is number 5, yes, your real address is number 7, which is well known by people that brings things to your house. But the number in your utility bill is number 5. Use that number in your utility bill, that number 5, because that is what they're going to use to verify your Skrill account, both Neteller. Please, the same information in your ID, in your utility bill, address, everything, the same way the name is the same thing that you're going to fill in here, because it's those two documents that they're going to use to verify it. Bear this in mind. Let's continue. Do you want this money to be available for payment on gambling sites? No. Now click on continue. Deposit via Visa. Amount to deposit is 1025 USD. So here, let me click on this. And if you click on confirm, success. You have joined the Skrill loyalty program. Let's know if this is going to be successful. Okay. Skrill 1025, card number 705, enter code. Where is the code coming to? Is it my phone? Let me check where the code is coming to so that I will alert you guys. Okay. The code has been sent to my phone, the phone number that I used in opening this UBA account. So just have in mind that if you're receiving any code, both the confirmation code, card confirmation code, if you're putting code to your PayPal account with UBA card, the number will come to your phone, the phone number you used in opening that card. So that is exactly where this code came now. So if I click on submit, let's wait. Deposit successful. Verify account now. Two-step to become true Skriller. So verify. Take a moment to verify your account. You will need to take a photo of your ID and your face. Confirm the address you have registered with. You see why I said if you're opening this, make sure you use a utility bill that has the same address. You will encrypt your data and store it securely in line with regulatory requirements. So at this point, you should know that you can open a Skrill account and link your UBA prepaid card or any prepaid card at all, dollar or naira prepaid card or any ATM card or any card at all, whether Nigeria, whether Kenya, whether Tanzania, anywhere in the world. You can use Skrill or Neteller to link your card and withdraw the money in your card to your Skrill account and use that Skrill account to deposit money in your any of your local bank accounts or use it to buy cryptocurrency, get it to Binance or any wallet you have, then convert the cryptocurrency back to your local currency. So at this point, you should know that it's very clear that you can do that with any card at all. So with this, you can be able to get funds out from any prepaid card, dollar card, naira card, any country card, and transfer the money to any location that you wish. So I hope this solved your prepaid card issue. Those of you that have been giving me comments, dropping comments and telling me that UBA is no longer allowing people to withdraw money from their prepaid card. So this has solved the problem, but make sure your Skrill account is fully verified before you can deposit money in it. And once you fully verify it, your limit increases. You can do a higher transaction. So guys, if this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Aswike Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. During the weekend, I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space.
Comes the serve. It's an accelerator ball.
So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I hope this video helps you guys solve your problem. If you find this video helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. One love.